understand the people who want to be best friends with their doctor. Doc, when you're done examining my lady bits, we could just go grab froyo or catch a movie, get a green juice. I don't know, whatever you want. When Donald Trump speaks off the cuff, he sounds like a 5.5-year-old doing show and tell. We have very incredible leaders in our military. And Please, no more. It's just too real. Racism is bad. Also, racism is bad. Veggie meatloaf isn't meatloaf. There's no meat in that loaf. I've been trying really hard to picture Alex Trebek in a pair of Crocs, but I can't do it. And you would think, oh, mind over matter, but it's like my brain won't compute it because it knows that it's too much of an impossible scenario. You know what really freaks me out? When I'm at the grocery store and I'm just like cruising down the snack aisle and it's like Cheetos, Fritos, Doritos, tortilla chips, and then all of a sudden there's just like this carton of eggs. Where did this perishable item come from? It's so crazy. Like, I can't even begin to imagine why those eggs would just be in that snack aisle. It's so creeps. Snakes are creeps. And also old men who say things to me like, hey, tushy. That's also freaky. Also creeps.